Nunga Nungas, pinch pots, headlamps, Hindenburgs, Honker Burgers, titties, titties, Lady Boozlers, Lily Hammers, Lunchables, Life Ruiners, Man Killers, Mother Brothers, Sweaty Stretchers, Snuggle Pups, Maracas. By the way, titties on tabletops.
Tabletop titties. She got them tabletop
Table-
titties.
She got them tabletop titties. Those titties that rest on tables so well. Yeah, you can fucking respect it. Tabletop titties. They're like big enough to rest on a table. We have just made a definition.
Tabletop titties.
I'm upset we can't make another. I was gonna make another chat and just make it like Kremhold dictionary with sacred words, and tabletop titties would be a part of it.
Sacred.
Would it be an adjective?
What? Tabletop titties?
Tabletop titties. Because you're describing
Noun.
a
It's a fucking noun.
of the titties. A noun.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I failed fucking English, and now I'm failing. Now I'm doing very well. A noun, but what is a noun?
Because tabletop titties are an object.
They are an object, but no, they're attached to women, and women are an object.
They are objects.
Oh god, no! Wait, I gotta make sure. I may be retarded. Noun. Any member of a class of word that simply can be combined with determiners to serve as a subject, or can be interpreted singular plural. I guess yeah. Tabletop titties. How do you define this? To have titties. To have. What's a scientific way of saying titties?
Let's think of synonyms. Bosoms, breasts, mammary
Bosom?
glands.
Mammary glands. Is mammary glands?
I do not know. Maybe.
There is an article that is called 99 Things to Call Boobs, and it has inanimate jugs, boobs, tits, bumpers, blorps, boobies, bongos.
Just imagine a
knockers,
doctor using
cans,
these words.
Jugs. Wait, no. We can. You got breasts, jugs, cans, knockers, bongos, bubbies, bubbies, bumpers, blorps, boobs, tits,
Tits.
tatas, twins, testicles, titties, tubes, Charlie,
Tubes.
titty chest teeth, gasongas, kuhanas.
Oh yeah, that video. You see that video?
I'm not done. Double
Okay,
lattes, golden glow.
Double lattes.
Nunga nungas, pinch pots, headlamps, Hindenburgs, Honker Burgers, titties, Lady Boozlers, Lily Hammers, Lunchables, Life Ruiners, Man Killers, Mother Brothers, Sweaty Stretchers, Snuggle Pups, Maracas, Marshmallows, Meet a Balls, Meet a Bull Us, Melons, Milk Duds, Mud Flaps, Liberty Bells, Little Rascals, Bouncy Castles, Baby Busters, Deanna Swayers, Danny DeVitos, Don DeLuis,
Danny DeVito's.
Bill Hingalil, Lucy and Ethel, Tia and Tamer, Bay and Jay, Fred and Ginger, Starsky and Hutch, Funkmaster and Flex, Tara Abdul and MC
Tara
Cat,
Abdul.
The A-Team, size specific, the Dream Team, not size specific, Floatsy and Flopsy, Slanger and Banger, Goose Down and River Phil, Squirmy and Squealer, Yin Yang Twins. Wait.
Yang.
Please turn your attention to the back streets before we finish.
Man.
Number 69.
Oh, number 69.
After Babushkas, Baby Buffets, Barnyard Boppers, Rocket Launchers, Rattlers, Traffic Stompers, Twin Peaks, Tater Tots, Terror Domes, Chestnut, Jingle Bells, Dinosaur Eggs, Party Pillars, Labradoodles, Shoulder Boulders, Creep Computer, the only reason some people should open their mouths. Ooh, berries, peaches, patty cakes, dumplings, honey hams, candy yams, nuggets, nibbles, fruits of independence, scones, samosas, enchiladas con salsa roja, enchiladas con salsa roja. And that's it. Last one is
Well,
wait, no, there's one more. That's 99. Wait, what's the... Oh, 99, yeah. This was 99. Let me send you a link to
Jesus
This is a
Christ.
lot to process. Anyways, back to scientific ways of
Yeah,
scientific
yeah.
synonyms.
We've lost our ways here. It's meant to be scientific.
We'll look up thesaurus and we go boo.
Wait, what are you trying
Have
to type in the first place?
this it's like a paragraph for the tabletop titties, right?
Oh
To have
yeah, you're
bosoms,
describing the
that's
tabletop titties.
heft. Definition of heft: the greater part of something. Bulk. Yeah, I got it. Hefty hooters. Oh, that
Oh
sounds
man, that's a
badass.
new word.
To have hefty. It's not a word. It works. It works. It's actually
Yeah, yeah.
English. Hefty hooters, able to rest on
No.
to
Oh,
rest
that's why.
upon
Snake.
uh
Snake.
what's upon and apon? What's the difference? Upon and
The
upon.
fuck is apon?
A-P-O-N are propositions
It's
which are used in
not a
similar manners but
word.
areas of the English language. Yes,
No.
it is. Look at this. They were used in the olden days, so it sounds
The
smart.
olden days.
Look,
Well,
look, 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 look,
are you the
look. Different.
gentleman of this story?
There we are. Table,
It
tabletop
has
titties.
arrived. Where'd it go? Welcome?
It's a welcome.
Welcome! Pin it.
Tabletop titties. To have hefty hooters able to rest upon a table surface with little to no difference. Now that called English.
I wish I could contribute like it's a wiki page.
I mean, you can do whatever.
Like,
It's right there to
correct
edit.
your
Oh wait, no, you can't.
shitty grammar.
No.
Yeah, I can't.
Fuck. Okay, tell me how to do this. What am I changing?
Put a period at the end of discomfort. Little to no has dashes in between.
Dashes in between.
Little to no, like these three words are connected with dashes.
What the fuck are dashes?
Oh my god, what? Minus
Just call them
signs.
Oh.
What?
Fuck off. Okay, I failed English when I was in English speaking areas.
Well, what's the word for it? Hyphen? Is that what it is?
Hyphen. Yeah, that's the one.
Should we add like a fancy line under tabletop titties separating the word from the definition?
Right. All right. Wait, and we also need an example.
What kind of line should it be? Equal lines? Hyphen lines?
I don't know. A squiggly line. Yeah, we need an example.
For
There's an
examples, they
example
use like a number.
There's some praiseworthy table titties.
Wow.
What would a sexist
Smooth.
say when they are? How would a sexist? Let's put ourselves in the mind. Not very hard for you, obviously. How would you go about telling a woman she has very nice table titties?
You're asking me, huh?
Okay, let's do this. Scene. You have an asshole. He walks up to a nice girl and he says, "Hey, girl, how about you bend over this table and we work those tabletop titties?" We're not sexist. There, we're just. So what have you done for? What have you done with your? Oh, I contributed to society. I added words such as tabletop titties.
Tabletop titties. What? EJ? What? Dude. Oh no.